Lesson 2. Draw a regular heptagon on a given line AB. Children, you have already learned to draw regular hexagon on a given line AB. Today, you will learn to draw a regular heptagon. But before you can learn this is necessary that you must know how to draw a bisector, a perpendicular bisector. So because this will help you in many diagrams. How to draw a bisector? If we have a line of 5 centimeter and we want to bisect it, then what will we do? We will open compass. The length of the arc of the compass should be more than the half of the line, and mark an arc from B on both sides. Similarly, mark an arc from point A. Join these points. This line will bisect the given line. This will help you in every diagram, so you must learn it first. Now we will start to make a regular heptagon. Take a line of 5 centimeter. Name it AB. Take radius AB and from B draw a semicircle. And also extend the line AB to point Q. And like this, AQ will become diameter of the semicircle. Now bisect the line AB. You have to bisect the line AB. And draw the perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector will touch the semicircle on a point. Give it name it R, and the bisector point on AB, mark it P. Now take length PR in compass and from point Q mark an arc and give it name C. Join BC. Now you have to bisect BC. Now draw perpendicular on BC and extend this bisector. This bisector will meet the other bisector PR on a point, mark it O. Take OA radius, take OA radius and draw a circle and draw a circle. Now take AB length and from A mark these arcs on the circle. Name them D, E, F and G. Join A to G, G to F, C to D, D to E, and E to F. And this is your required heptagon A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I think you have learnt it properly. Now make this heptagon on your notebook. We will meet again with a new regular polygon next day. Thank you.